Hi, I'm Dr. Sheetal Chaurasya, consultant pulmonologist at Manipal Hospital, Whitefield. Today, I would like to talk about lung cancer screening. National Lung Screening Trial, which was done on over 50,000 people in United States who were high risk for lung cancer, and the screening was done using a low-dose CT scan. It found a mortality benefit of 20% in over 7 years follow-up period. This clearly shows the benefit of these screening trial in early detection of lung cancers. So who are the people who should be screened for lung cancers? The current National Comprehensive Cancer Network suggests screening high-risk group with low-dose CT scan annually. The high-risk group for lung cancer is defined as people aged more than 50 years who have a smoking history of 20 pack years or more. These are the population who should undergo low-dose CT scan for lung cancer screening. Now coming to Indian population, we don't have a central lung cancer screening program yet as of today. There are various initiatives to identify the current high-risk groups because the risk profile of lung cancer in India includes, apart from the regular cigarette smokers, it includes people who smoke bidi, people who are exposed to biomass exposure. They are often younger in age as compared to their Western counterparts. There is a high rate of driver mutation seen in cancers which occur in Indian population, and a higher incidence of adenocarcinoma. Air pollution is another very important risk factor in Indian population, including both indoor and outdoor air pollution. In India, some of the places where lung cancer screening is being done, they are including a population subgroup of between age 55 to 75 years who have a smoking history of 30 pack years or more. High risk groups like smokers, people who have a significant family history of lung cancers or any other cancers should definitely meet their pulmonologist so that they can be considered for lung cancer screening by low dose CT scan if they are eligible.